Oxford resident Eric Yates has always been an avid biker, and now the Oxford Pathways Commission is making it easier for this Ole Miss student to get out and ride instead of driving. The Commission's goal is to keep the community connected through a number of walking and biking paths.
Yeah, with the new pathways, it definitely opens up more opportunities to bike to class, and it definitely gives us a way of another option. You can either even walk by the pathways if we choose so. It gives us more options rather than driving, and therefore reducing our carbon footprint.
Mike Mossing, chairman of the Pathways Commission, likes to hear that kind of enthusiasm. An avid biker himself, Mossing has high ambition for the Pathway Commission's impact and looks at Oxford from the viewpoint of what could be.
I think in the long run, if you do start to come up with give people the idea that they don't need a car for everything, then I think they say that the average trip is less than 2 miles, and that's, bikeable in about 5 minutes or so. And so if people can just do little errands on a bike, I think it could make a big impact.
Now, according to Mossing, finding alternative modes of transportation, such as biking, is one of the easiest ways to reduce our carbon footprint. But to do so, we need these modes to not only be easily accessible, but also practical. And that's exactly what the Pathways Commission is doing here in Oxford. The Oxford Pathways Commission began in 2003 and has opened many bike lanes since. These include a 3-mile stretch of bike lanes from Old Sardis Road down to North Lamar Boulevard, and a 3-mile stretch of packed gravel for biking from Coliseum Drive to the Thacker Mountain Trail. Safe biking paths such as these helped Oxford win the Bicycle Friendly Community Bronze Award in 2008, which was presented by the League of American Bicyclists. Yates agrees that these pathways are definitely a positive for the community.
The city of Oxford is it's a very liberal town in the fact that we take a lot of steps towards going green, a lot more so than many of the towns in Mississippi. And I think that these pathways will give everybody the opportunity to follow that path.
With the help of the Oxford Pathways Commission, Eric Yates and the rest of the Oxford community look as though they have found a path to reducing their carbon footprint. For Planet Forward, this is Casey Neal and Austin Eagle.